Hello everyone. My name is Pooja Yadav from Datta Mega Institute of Management Study. Today's my topic is SIP project report, summer internship project at Internshala training. And my topic is financial modeling and valuation. This is my position and start date of 12 September 2020 in date of 24 October 2020. Introduction. Internshala offers following products and services to its users like internship and job posting. Organization and individuals looking to hire interns and our full-time employees can post their internship and or job requirement on Internshala. And second is internship and job search. Internship and job seekers from all over India can search and apply for internship and jobs relevant to their coursework and interest free of cost. Internshala training. Internshala offers a variety of online training programs across multiple disciplines like machines learning, web development, digital marketing, Java, French, and several others, which a student can do from the comfort of their homes and learn the skills needed in today's industry. Financial modeling and valuation is Internshala training. Internshala offers a variety of online training programs across multiple disciplines. In that, I have completed training in my financial modeling and valuation. I did from home and learned the skills needed in today's industry. We all are know the today's situation of corona pandemic, so everyone needs a home training. So I prefer to the Internshala training. So I completed my training in Internshala training. Mission and goals of the company. Internshala is .com business with the heart of organization. They are a technology company on a mission to equip students with relevant skills and practical exposure through internship and online training. Imagine a world full of freedom and possibilities, a world where you can discover your passion and turn it into your career, a world where your practical skills matter more than your university degree, a world where you do not have to wait till 21st to taste your first work experience, a world where you graduate fully assured, fully confident, and fully prepared to stake claim on your place in the world. Activities of the position. Understand the overall concept of the company, including the brand, customer, product goals, and all other aspects of service rotates through our divisions of responsibility and provided ideas to grow and improve the business. Accepts the designated business focus projects to research, propose ideas and solutions, and present final project during the internship. Engages with customers or clients and provides service and or sales, provide suggestions to management for improving customer service and internal processes, learns and becomes proficient on internal software systems, assist in creating performance reports. During SIP, I have learned understanding Excel, investment decision techniques, application of decision technique, financial statement analysis, and valuation. This is my certificate of the training. Thank you.